Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Saros Finance token. Now this token just got a few new central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on the Saros Finance token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The ultimate app designed to redefine your Web3 experience on Solana. Seamless access to the evolving global decentralized economy right at your fingertips. This is Saros Finance. Now this token was just announced, got a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings. Now they got listed, or they're going to be listed here on Bybit tomorrow on January 19th. They're also going to be listed on BitGet tomorrow, January 19th. I think I saw a few others as well here. They're also going to be listed on Woox, W-O-O-X, January 19th. And Gate. They're going to be listed on Gate as well. Their partners here. Oh, Byconomy as well. They're going to be listed on Byconomy. Tons of places. And then the newest update I just saw, they're also going to be listed on Mexc Global tomorrow. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SAROS, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. Now, you can go to their webpage to find info, saros.xyz. Over there, you're going to find a Discord group. They have a newsletter. You can click notify me and put in your email. They have an x.com that I'm going to put on the screen right here at Saros_finance. This has all the new listing updates on there, the new announcements. And then they have a document section, which is like a white paper, which you could find at docs.saros.finance. So this is a DeFi super network built on Solana. Saros Finance is a Solana-based unified suite of DeFi products with 3 fundamental building blocks. The Saros Swap, the AMM, automated market maker, the Saros Farm, and Saros Stake, in which Saros Swap is the core of the entire ecosystem. We have built Saros Finance with multiple protocols to create a super network attracting builders and users of the Solana ecosystem. So, Saros Swap is a decentralized automated liquidity protocol built on Solana, which allows users to exchange SPL tokens. Saros Swap will maximize price discovery, drawing retail investors to Solana. Saros Farm is an aggregation platform for different incentivized pools to assist projects rapidly and gradually increasing their liquidity. Saros Farm and Saros will entice and engage liquidity providers, resulting in a large inflow of funds while simplifying and accelerating liquidity bootstrapping and encouraging new products to be built on Solana. Saros Stake is dedicated to increasing user staking income by single asset staking to maximize your yields, with no risks or in permanent loss. Like Saros Farm, Saros Stake is also expected to attract liquidity providers, expedite liquidity bootstrapping, and promote the development of new Solana projects. It says, moving forward, obviously, Saros Finance will not be limited to only 3 building blocks, but will continue to branch into various protocols to satisfy the demands of future users. Now, so the Saros Swap is a decentralized automated liquidity protocol built on Solana, allowing users to exchange SPL tokens. So we believe AMM is the upper hand over CLOB-based decentralized exchanges regarding creating and managing liquidity easier, user habits, liquidity creation and management, and hype generation. So they talk about their Saros Swap in more depth if you want to learn about that on their paper, and they talk about how to swap on Saros Swap, so there's tutorials. Now, if you want to learn about the farm, how to add liquidity, how to remove liquidity, how to farm, and how to claim rewards, you can also learn about that on their document section. One of the most common problems that builders encounter is growing the asset's liquidity after the project launch. So on Solana, project owners must currently build incentives by using liquidity mining programs, which fragment the liquidity providers as they have to constantly hunt for projects with such programs. So at Saros Farm, users are able to earn rewards by staking your liquidity provider tokens. Not only popular token pairs are made available on the platform, such as Sol USDC, but freshly launched projects are also supported. And then they have the Saros Stake, which is a single asset staking to maximize your yields with no risk of impermanent loss. So Saros Stake is the simplest way to earn free tokens on Saros Finance. All you have to do is stake 1 and earn free tokens while you sleep. With Saros Stake, you can earn passive income on your token investment in a much more simpler way. So you can learn how to stake, how to unstake, and how to harvest on Saros Stake as well. They have frequently asked questions in case you get lost. Looks like they have a couple of audits here as well that you could check out on their document section. They have a Discord, they have blog articles, they have a Telegram, they have a Twitter, they have tons of information. So if you want to see all the brand new listing updates, check it out there. You can also check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token is being listed tomorrow. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Saros? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.